Hello and welcome to the MIT AADT podcast. I'm your host Vishnu, and we are here in MIT campus celebrating the largest gathering of content creators. I've got three incredible content creators here from diverse background, and they're here to share their journey and their experience so far. I'd like to know from each one of you, who you are and what kind of content do you create.
So basically, the content I create is most of the technical things, but that's my profession. टेक्नोलॉजी का अगर मैं कंटेंट बनाता हूँ तो दैट्स माय प्रोफेशन, बट व्हाट आई एम इज कोर अध्यात्म वाला चीज कि मैं मोस्टली उस पर बनाता हूँ, क्योंकि मेरा यार लाइफ प्रोसेसिंग मेरा उस पर चलता है. मतलब बिजनेस तो मेरा चलेगा, वो तो बिजनेस प्रोसेसिंग है, वो उससे चलेंगी, उसके रूल से चलेंगी. बट मेरी लाइफ कैसे चलती है, इट्स ऑल अबाउट द डिस्कवरी ऑफ द न्यू थिंग्स, डिस्कवरी ऑफ द हु एम आई, व्हाई एम आई, कैसे है. इट्स ऑल अबाउट दिस. तो वहां से मेरी डिस्कवरी होती है कि मैं क्या हूं. तो इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द जर्नी की कैसे क्या स्टार्ट है, ये क्या हुआ, तो इट्स एक बोलते जिज्ञासा. जिज्ञासा के से ज्ञान की उत्पत्ति होती है. तो ये रहा है कि मेरे को स्टार्टिंग से ही वो होता है कि एक बंदे को जब थोड़ा अनस्टेबल होता है, ही फाइंड द स्टेबिलिटी. तो वेयर ही फाइंड द स्टेबिलिटी, तो वो मेरे लिए मेडिटेशन आया सबसे पहले निकल के. एक हमारे टीचर थे, हिंदी टीचर, उन्होंने ऐसे क्लास में मेडिटेशन वगैरह हमें कराया, एंड इट हिट मी. मैं मतलब जो मुझे अनुभूति हुई कि यार ये तो अलग ही चीज है. मतलब एवरीथिंग शट डाउन. मैंने किया और सब शांत था, कुछ नहीं था, ना कोई थॉट्स ना विचार था, कुछ नहीं था. ये क्या चीज है. देन आई स्टार्टेड एक्सप्लोरिंग मोर एंड मोर अबाउट इट. देन आई केम टू रीड मोर स्क्रिप्चर्स, इंडियन स्क्रिप्चर्स. देन सिर्फ इंडियन स्क्रिप्चर्स ही काफी नहीं, क्योंकि बायसनेस आ जाती कि हिंदी संस्कृति. देन मैंने बाहर के फिलोसफर्स पढ़े, जर्मन हो, रशियन हो, गुरजेफ है, बोकुजू है. इंडिया के भी बहुत ऐसे अननोन है जिनको लोग नहीं पढ़ते. पलटू दास है, कोई जानता भी नहीं उनको. तो ऐसे मैंने बहुत पढ़े, एंड देन आई केम टू रियलाइज कि इस डिस्कवरी में उन्होंने बहुत हेल्प की है. इट्स नॉट लाइक कि उन्होंने पहुंचा दिया है, वो सहायक हैं. दे आर द हेल्पर. जर्नी मेरे को ही करनी है आगे. So that's the way I'm doing my journey in spirituality.
So you're gathering knowledge from everywhere and then becoming your own identity.
I'm also validating कि is it fitting with me, with my journey. कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट करते हैं, कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं करते हैं. तो जो कॉन्सेप्ट करते हैं उसको पिक कर लेता हूँ, क्योंकि मेरी आइडेंटिटी अलग है. अगर मैं थोड़ा और एग्जांपल दूंगा तो गुरजेफ का तरीका अलग है, महावीर का तरीका अलग है. दोनों एक ही जगह ले जाते हैं, बट मुझे महावीर का तरीका ज्यादा फिट होता है.
No, that's very interesting because you are trying to tell the world what you went through and also giving them a lens to see what they are missing. What about you? Who are you? What kind of content do you create and why do you create that content?
Okay, so who are you is a very tricky question, to be very honest. But if I tell you that professionally I'm a psychologist and a psychotherapist, and I create content around, again, mental health, psychology, and all of the things that comes into the umbrella. And why do I do all this? Because well, I had my own set of struggles in regard to mental health. I suffered a lot when I was in my teenage. I had dissociative amnesia. So because of that, I really want to help people, as many people as I can. So that is why I make content around mental health to educate people, make people aware about their mental health and their set of beliefs. And yeah, that's it.
What about you? Who are you? What kind of content do you create and why do you create that content?
Okay. So basically, I'm a life and relationship coach. Majorly, my content also revolves around the same. My content consists of talking things about life, reality, emotions, feelings, problems and situations every individual goes through in their daily life. Why I create this content? Because when I got into this field, I realized कि लोगों को सबसे ज़्यादा जो प्रॉब्लम्स होती है ना, वो उतनी मेजर नहीं होती. इट्स into their day-to-day life. Just because you can understand that when they are not able to ventilate properly, or when they are going through a rough patch in their relationship, or when they are emotionally not that ventilated or sound, or all these things, emotions, feelings, कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो कि हमारी लाइफ को सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पैक्ट करती हैं, और उन्हीं चीज़ों से लोग सबसे ज़्यादा रिलेट करते हैं. व्हेन दे गेट टू नो अबाउट दोज थिंग्स इन डेप्थ, then they realized that, okay, this was something I wanted to say, but I was never able to say out loud. So I even speak those things जो लोग feel करते हैं day to day life में, वो बोलना चाहते हैं, वो express करना चाहते हैं, पर कह नहीं पाते due to XYZ reasons. So I say it out on their behalf. I validate their emotions. I speak out that yes, whatever you are feeling, that's right, that's valid, and that's okay to feel that way. So which is why I create this content.
Amazing. I want to know from you guys, you've met so many other creators as well. We are in this beautiful campus, MIT. What was your experience like meeting other creators who are creating, different sort of content? And what's the vibe of the campus so far?
So meeting different creators is always amazing. We get to learn so much. Alag niches se when we meet creators creating different content regarding finance, education, technology, psychology. When you meet creators throughout those diverse niches, I would say, their own perspective feels, you get to know that, okay, even this is a perspective of creation. Even when you meet so many, amazing minds around you, creative minds, then you get to know that, okay, these are the things maybe I am right now missing in my content and I can take out from them. So it's always great to meet such amazing creators.
What about you?
Yeah, matlab it's the same feeling, while it was a first interaction when I came to Pune and, I was like, oh, you make content around tech, oh, you make content around this and you make content around that. It's like, okay, I think different people have different truths of life, and it's a very different feeling that people operate from a different perspective, people operate from a different life, their different environment, different set of belief system, and how beautifully we coexist in a same set of environment.
That is so beautiful. What about you, Ashutosh?
इट्स लाइक यार हर बंदे के पास अपना खुद का इंसाइट है और मतलब चाहे हमारा नीश भी सेम है, मेरा टेक नीच है, दूसरे बंदे का टेक नीच है, बट जब हम बात करते हैं तो वो एक ऐसा इंसाइट देता है जो मुझे भी नहीं पता था. अगर मैं आपसे बात करूंगा, आप लिंक्डइन का इंसाइट दोगे, मैं लिंक्डइन पे भी हूँ बट मुझे इंसाइट्स नहीं पता. वो मेरे को इंसाइट पता है, अगर मेरे को हुक का पता है तो सामने वाला बंदा बताएगा मेरे को एक सिचुएशन का जिसमें तुम आउटडोर शूट कर सकते हो, वो उसका इंसाइट देगा. तो इवन हम सेम कैटेगरी में भी हों, सेम नीश पे भी हों, सेम वीडियो ही अगर बना रहे हो, every creator has a different insight और वो insight हमारे exchange होते हैं ऐसे events में.
So true, so true. We are in this content creation space and it is one of the most trickiest space because it keeps changing year after year. Today, what you have, you might lose it the next moment as well. And in this kind of, vulnerable situation, what is the message that you give to yourself to, be in relevance with your audience?
Adaptability. ऑलवेज, मतलब जैसे पहले कराउजल्स थे, वीडियोस आए, जो क्रिएटर्स ने वीडियो पे स्विच नहीं किया, जो हमें पता भी नहीं है कि नहीं. मेरे साथ बहुत ऐसे कलीग्स थे जो साथ में थे बट अब नहीं है क्योंकि उन्होंने अडेप्ट नहीं किया. वी अडेप्टेड, और वीडियो में भी अडेप्ट करने के बाद जो चेंजेस हैं, जो ट्रेंड्स हैं, उनको भी अगर अडेप्ट नहीं किया देन यू विल लूज इट आउट. तो अडेप्टेबिलिटी is the factor which make you survive in this industry. Quick adaptability, exactly. Quick adaptability, जिसको कहना चाहिए क्विकली ग्रैस्प करना, किसी चीज को पकड़ना. अब उसमें फिर तुम्हें शर्म लिहाज नहीं होनी चाहिए कि भाई क्या सोचेंगे, क्या करेंगे. अब ये ट्रेंड होने वाला तो होने वाला है.
You create content that needs a lot of awareness and people still find some of the things that you say to be, irrelevant or taboo or something that they don't believe in. When you come across those comments, what is your defense mechanism or, what is your POV through which you operate?
So, to be honest, there is no such defense mechanism, but yeah, there is a point of view to it. So, facing negative comment, facing, different comments maybe. I don't say it as a negative thing, but yeah, maybe facing or facing people's opinions, facing, क्योंकि पता है क्या होता है? The thing here is we need to understand that you need to create space within yourself and accept, adapt and change according to people's need. So what I believe is कि I need to create space within myself so that I can accept other people's opinion.
Right.
And that is the only thing that makes me feel like ठीक है यार, करो, let's do it, let's see how people will respond to it, and okay, I'm gonna work on it. मतलब I keep reading researches, I keep reading books, I keep that journal with me, so that I can also navigate through my emotions and my mental health. And yeah,
You create like apne, day-to-day life wale challenges and problems and situations. Did you ever watch some of your video to console yourself?
Yeah, definitely. Sometimes what happens is that I get to see my own videos in some other pages, like people repost our videos, right? Different pages. So कई बार अपनी ही वीडियो दिख जाती है, लगता है oh my god, I spoke this about this thing maybe 6 months back and वो hit करती है that oh my god, यार ये कितनी सही बात थी, and it really makes sense. So yeah, those things help actually.
So when you created your first video around this, I'm sure because there's no audience, there's no weight. Right now you have that, but when you started, you did not have any of these things, right? None of these weapons that you carry right now. Uh, what was your motivation behind creating this content, and the kick that you got from creating this content?
So my motivation basically to create this type of content was that चाहे उस वक्त पे मुझे 300 people follow कर रहे हैं, not a big amount, but not a very big number, but I know that the thing I'm talking about, even those 300 go through that. If not all of them, maybe 50%, maybe 40, 30% go through that thing. And whatever I'm saying would make sense to them. And the kick I got was that when I made my first 5-7 videos, in those only I got to know that the comments I was getting, I always go through my comments, चाहे वो कितने भी हो, मैं कोशिश करता हूँ कि उनसे go through करूँ. And the comments I was getting, they actually, people wrote there that, you know what, whatever you spoke, I was feeling exactly the same. And you just said it out and now I'm feeling really good. So that I thought that, okay, that person was feeling it but wasn't able to speak. I spoke it and that person is saying that now I'm feeling good. So that was the kick I got.
I'm going to end this conversation with one very important question. Why should somebody in 2024, in today's day and age, become a content creator?
यार अभी देखो, कोई कहेगा कि पैसे के लिए करना चाहिए, बट पैसा इज द बाय प्रोडक्ट ऑफ दिस इंडस्ट्री, वो तो सबको पता ही होगा. बट अगर किसी के अंदर इतना पैशन है, तो पहले क्या होता था, जिसके अंदर पैशन होता था वो उसको अपने परिवार में ही निकाल देता था. किसी को बुनाई का शौक है, वो स्वेटर सिल देंगे. अभी अगर शौक है, वी हैव द प्लेटफॉर्म टू शोकेस आवर टैलेंट. तो नाउ दिस इज द टाइम कि अब हमें जो हमारे अंदर टैलेंट है, वो स्पीकिंग का है या किसी भी टॉपिक पे नॉलेज है, वी कैन शोकेस इट वाया इंस्टाग्राम, वाया फेसबुक वगैरह जो भी है, इन सब से हम कर सकते हैं. तो आई गेस दिस इज द किक वी शुड बी स्टार्ट कि हाँ भाई, अब एक सोशल अपना प्रेजेंस तो होना चाहिए. उसके बाद बाय प्रोडक्ट तो है अपने पास.
I ask you one question, ठीक है? For example, if you are a doctor and if you are very good at it, you are amazing at it, you are MBBS, MD, MS, everything you have achieved, and you are not making content on Instagram, then what do you think? You are doing justice to people.
Yeah, I mean, of course, there should be a space where I am educating more and more people and telling them about some of the things. Like CPR is one very common practice that everybody should know, but in office spaces, a lot of employees don't know about CPR. So if I created that content and put it out there, maybe somebody might have used that content to help somebody's life out there.
Exactly. If you're really, really passionate about helping other people, or in any ways, in terms of technology, in terms of medical science, in terms of emotions, if you are validating people's emotion, anything, if you are good at it, you should educate people, you should help people as much as you can. And फिर again, पैसा और ये सब is a byproduct, but if you are good at it, you have to do it.
So on this, I would just like to say one thing, that today, आज हमारी वजह से we say that so many people get inspired, so many people are getting inspired from the things from the content we are making, and people's lives are changing. Even we get DMs like that, you know, after watching your content, my perspective changed a lot, my life changed a lot. I would just like to say that we need more such people. We need more new perspectives, just because अगर किसी भी इंडस्ट्री के अंदर कंपटीशन खत्म हो जाता है ना, वो स्टैग्नेंट हो जाती है, तो उसके अंदर बेटर चीज़ निकलनी बंद हो जाती है. इफ़ आई वुड से कि मेरी निश के अंदर और कोई क्रिएटर नया आए ही नहीं, जो 10 पुराने हैं वही हमेशा चलते रहें, सो यू नो वो 10 लोग भी ना हार्ड फाइट करना बंद कर देंगे. जब तक नए लोग बनाते रहेंगे, नए लोग क्रिएट करते रहेंगे, हमारे लिए भी कंपटीशन रहेगा. दैट वी इवन नीड टू वर्क हार्डर टू स्टे इन द मार्केट. सो मोर एंड मोर पीपल कमिंग इन. लोगों को लगता है ये इंडस्ट्री तो सैचुरेट हो गई, अब कोई पॉइंट नहीं है इस वक्त क्रिएशन में आके. ऐसा नहीं है. इफ़ यू आर डूइंग समथिंग ग्रेट, come into it, fight, and if you are really good at it, you will make your own name and space and fame, everything.
That is so true. I mean, more entry of creators just expands the market for you as well.
Exactly. For even the creators and even for the audience. So it's necessary for both the parties.
So true, so true. Thank you so much, guys. It was really amazing having this conversation with the three of you. And I hope that more and more people will watch your content and gain some really interesting and insightful, message from the videos that you make. And I hope that, you guys will get more and more visibility in the coming days.